Oh, 1 p.m. Pepe Pena Sante Kotoko bus need to free Kumasia a day omoni eche Berekum Kotoko up against Berekum or Berekum versus Kotoko. Now 20-man squad Krobia Sante Kotoko di game num ewa me Berekum and I mean who say Kotoko bus no echem ewo sufulai on I say yes, that's the metema. Now key players to say the kind 4 key players are missing out of the squad. Obvious reasons, yes, it be accumulation of cars, it be an injury, any idea Ansu in team menu, yes, out, Frederick Asare out, Enoch Morrison out. Omunyina it's got to do with accumulations of card and Henry Ansu dienom akoye knocker or peke to say the report no so the DNK squad no Danlad Ibrahim na no edodono kakra but God being so good when your fitness na wa join the team no say me no ka say Kotoko is on the road to Berekum yemfa say by 4 o'clock there Kumasi to Berekum yemfa say 3 hours until by 4 o'clock 5 o'clock PM na Kotoko ahete Berekum na omaye so minims o may recovery kakra nsana omako diet na no match na well no technical team ninsem yes team Kotoko ede ewura game no mu no ene da o screen no so no quickly ma memfa ma sene ye push ma me ewo WhatsApp no so no na me nso me de email straight away ewo ho no Danlad Ibrahim, Justice Blay, Minok, Nuruddin Mohammed, Sharif Mohammed, Shadrach Ado, Nicholas Mensa Nicholas, Peter Amidu Akwa, Kalu Watara, Baba Yaya, yes, Nicholas Osebunzu, Prince Adasa, Emmanuel Korte, Augustine Japan, Eric Zeze, Che Dramana Michael, Samuel Asamoah Bodu, Richmond Opoku, Moise Poate ena Mukwala. Mamemfa squad ne Emma Obium. Danlad Ibrahim goalkeeper. Justice Blade. Yes. Sisi Etabon defense and midfield kakra. Nuruddin defender. Sharif Mohammed defender. Shadrach Ado. Yes. Ononso a midfielder. Mensa Nicholas midfielder. Peter Amidu Akwa winger. Kalu Watara forward. Baba Yaya winger. Nicholas Osei Bonsu. Yes. Ono ye left back. Yes. And Prince Adasa, midfielder. Emmanuel Korte, right back. Augustine Japan, right back. Eric Zeze, midfielder. Che Dramana, midfielder. Samuel Asamoah, right back. Richmond Opoku Dembele, yes, on also and Moise Poate and the forward Mukwala D.